In 2025, the world of gaming continues to evolve, not just in terms of graphics and gameplay mechanics, but also in the technology we use to experience our games. As developers push visual fidelity to its limits, gamers are looking for TVs that can keep up, offering buttery smooth performance, low latency, high brightness, incredible contrast, and vivid color. That's where QLED TVs come in. All the links to these TVs are down in the description, so be sure to check those out for current pricing and availability. Today, we're diving into the top 5 QLED TVs for gaming in 2025, handpicked for their performance, value, and ability to fully unleash the power of the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and high-end gaming PCs. From competitive players who demand lightning-fast response times to immersive gamers who live for deep blacks and rich HDR, there's something here for everyone. So let's jump into the list, starting with number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the TCL QM8, a budget-friendly powerhouse that punches way above its weight class. TCL has steadily earned its place among serious TV brands over the past few years, and the 2025 QM8 is a testament to just how far they've come. This TV features TCL's latest mini-LED QLED panel, boasting over 2,000 local dimming zones and an impressive peak brightness of around 2,500 nits, making it one of the brightest TVs in its price range. For gamers, the QM8 delivers a rock-solid experience with HDMI 2.1 support, VRR variable refresh rate, OLED auto low latency mode, and a native 120Hz refresh rate. The input lag measures as low as 6 milliseconds in game mode, which is incredibly fast and ensures a responsive, competitive edge in fast-paced games like Call of Duty or Rocket League. While its black levels and viewing angles don't quite match the OLED competition or some higher-end QLEDs, the QM8 more than compensates with its value. You're getting premium features like Dolby Vision Gaming and FreeSync Premium Pro without spending premium dollars. For budget-conscious gamers who want next-gen performance without sacrificing too much quality, the TCL QM8 is a brilliant choice. Sliding into the number 4 spot is the Sony Bravia 9, one of the most sophisticated QLED TVs Sony has ever produced. Sony may be better known for its OLED offerings, but in 2025, the Bravia 9 proves that their QLED technology can compete with the best. What sets this TV apart is its XR backlight master drive, a full-array local dimming system that delivers deep blacks with almost OLED-like precision, but with the added advantage of higher brightness levels, topping out at around 3,000 nits in certain HDR scenes. The Bravia 9 also features Sony's Cognitive Processor XR, which intelligently enhances picture quality by mimicking the way the human eye perceives depth, contrast, and motion. This makes it particularly effective in action-heavy games, where every frame matters. Combined with HDMI 2.1 support and 4K 120Hz gaming, it's fully compatible with the PS5 and offers VRR, ALM, and Dolby Vision Gaming, though Sony still lacks full 1440p support in some modes. Where the Bravia 9 really shines is color accuracy and motion handling. Whether you're navigating dark corridors in a horror game or exploring brightly lit fantasy landscapes, the Bravia 9 renders colors with outstanding realism and motion clarity. It's a premium TV for gamers who care deeply about cinematic visual quality without going full OLED, and while it comes at a higher price point, the experience justifies the investment. At number 3, we have the Samsung QN90F, the successor to the popular QN90C series. Samsung continues to be a dominant force in the QLED space, and the QN90F is a standout model for gamers in 2025. Built with Samsung's Neo QLED mini-LED technology, it achieves incredible brightness levels of up to 3,500 nits while maintaining impressive black levels and a massive color volume. That makes it especially powerful for HDR gaming, with dazzling highlights and rich details in both bright and dark scenes. The QN90F boasts an incredibly low input lag, as low as 5.8 milliseconds at 4K 120Hz, and it supports all the gaming essentials: HDMI 2.1, VRR, ALM, FreeSync Premium Pro, and Game Motion Plus, which smooths out gameplay without the dreaded soap opera effect. Samsung's Game Bar, now in its 3rd iteration, has also become more intuitive, letting players instantly tweak settings like FPS counters, aspect ratio, and HDR performance on the fly. With its anti-glare coating, the QN90F is also one of the best TVs for bright rooms. This matters more than most realize. Glare can ruin a gaming session, especially if you're playing during the day. While Samsung still doesn't support Dolby Vision gaming, its HDR10 Plus implementation does an admirable job, and the QN90F's sheer performance makes it a go-to option for gamers who want both speed and style in their setup. Taking the number 2 spot is the Samsung QN990F, the absolute flagship in Samsung's 2025 QLED lineup. While the QN90F is a beast, the QN990F takes things up several notches. It's an 8K Neo QLED TV with a jaw-dropping resolution that future-proofs your setup for years to come. Although native 8K gaming content is still rare, the QN990F's AI-powered upscaling and Samsung's powerful neural quantum processor make 4K content look incredibly sharp and almost indistinguishable from native 8K. Where this TV really flexes is in its HDR performance and picture precision. The QN990F delivers over 4,000 nits of peak brightness, combined with more than 5,000 local dimming zones, which results in an almost OLED-like contrast performance with all the benefits of QLED brightness. Motion performance is buttery smooth thanks to its 144Hz refresh rate, and it supports all next-gen gaming features, including 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, Game HDR Enhancer VRRM. Samsung also refined its UI and game mode in this model, with ultra-fast response times and an even better game bar interface. The QN990F's ultra-thin infinity screen design and near bezel-less frame also make it a centerpiece in any gaming room. It's a statement piece, both in terms of visual performance and aesthetics. For elite gamers or those wanting a future-ready cutting-edge display, the Samsung QN990F is nearly unbeatable. And finally, sitting at the top of our list for the best QLED TV for gaming in 2025 is the Hisense U8QG. This might come as a surprise to some, but Hisense has absolutely blown away expectations this year with a TV that balances performance, quality, and affordability like nothing else on the market. The U8QG is a 4K QLED TV with mini LED technology, offering peak brightness levels upwards of 3,000 nits and a local dimming system that rivals much more expensive models. Hisense has continued to refine its gaming performance, and this model reflects that effort. Input lag is incredibly low, down to 5 milliseconds in game mode, and it supports the full suite of gaming features: HDMI 2.1, VRR, ALM, Dolby Vision gaming, FreeSync, and 144Hz refresh rate at 4K resolution. One of the standout features of the U8QG is its Game Pro mode, which dynamically adjusts contrast and motion for optimal gameplay conditions. Whether you're playing in a pitch-dark room or with sunlight pouring in, the TV adapts to deliver a consistently impressive experience. Hisense also improved its motion handling and black levels thanks to enhanced AI processing and better local dimming algorithms. But the real magic of the U8QG is in the value proposition. You're getting a flagship-level gaming TV with performance on par with Samsung and Sony's best offerings, often at hundreds of dollars less. It's an incredible option for gamers who want the best without blowing the budget. Whether you're into cinematic single-player titles or ultra-competitive multiplayer matches, the Hisense U8QG is simply the best QLED TV for gaming in 2025. So there you have it, our countdown of the top 5 QLED TVs for gaming in 2025. From affordable champions like the TCL QM8 to the futuristic, pixel-packed Samsung QN990F and the all-around winner Hisense U8QG, this year's lineup is stacked with options for gamers of every level. If you're looking to upgrade your setup, any of these TVs will deliver the performance, clarity, and immersion you need to take your gaming experience to the next level. Let us know in the comments which model you're most excited about, or if there's another QLED contender you think deserves a spot on this list. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews, side-by-side comparisons, and gaming gear recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!